Hey guys, what's up to my channel? Today I'm teaching how to make money online with CoinPay. Most of you might have heard of this website. It's an online cryptocurrency website where you play games to earn when you play games, click on ads, complete surveys, and so on and so forth. First of all, you first create an account on CoinPay. I already have an account, so but creating an account is not that hard. Let's go register. Register. What's going on? Oh, it's loading. You see, just with the username, email address, password, repeat, then you confirm your but I already have an account here. I just created the account yesterday. I had a previous account before. That account got banned because I've known it for a long time. That's where I got my first $20 online from that account. Now, so I want to log into my account. Log in. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, this is how it goes. Cool. So log into my account. Just created this new one yesterday. So there's so many ways you can make money online on this website. So let's start. It's viewing ads. There are three types of ads you can view on this website: soft ad, window ads, and article ad. Soft ad is where most of the ads are, and which pays the most. You see 34 ads, and you see 7.2 Satoshi, 6.3 Satoshi. Most of you have not heard of Satoshi. Satoshi is like a little form of Bitcoin in which your reward will be saved in. So when you want to withdraw, you can withdraw in dollars, in cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, whichever one you choose. You can go to Windows ads, articles ads, and so on. 4 cents. Some of you might not know what 4 cents is. 4 cents is 4 cents is a website that gives you free currencies, free cryptocurrency or currencies. And this person, there are so many. You see, you can take Bitcoin, free Bitcoin, 2.6 Satoshi of Bitcoin. You can take Terra Classic, Chronos, Persistence, Terrazon, Neo Protocol, Osas Network, Fetish.ai. All these ones coins, you can make money with them. Just take them for free. You can withdraw them instantly to your balance. You can also make money by offers, completing offers. So many offers are complete on this website. Of course, yes. Okay. See, this the service pays the most. I'm not going to click on any of our long process. But the service pays the most. You can earn $5. Just completing one survey. Probably on survey because it's hard for you to get a match this time more. This is where you make the most money. Time more. You can make the most money here from Nigeria. Yeah, this website. Okay, you can withdraw it instantly. Just simple tasks like video, subscribe, TikTok, stuff like that, and so on. You can also make money by staking in cryptocurrency. Some of you might not know what staking is. Staking is when you just leave the currency there, and over a long period of time, it's like putting your money in the bank for interest. So you're going to earn profits over time. Staking, you can earn them by so many ways. You can advertise. If you have a website now, for instance, you can advertise here. If you want the link to the website, it's below in my description. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.